Hello everyone. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get the Xfinity application on Samsung Smart TV in 2026. So first of all, here is one important thing that you need to understand. The application that you are looking for is called Xfinity Stream. So it only basically works on Samsung Smart TVs from 2018 or newer models. So before anything, make sure that your TV is compatible with the application. So in order to get access to the app, you just have to first of all press the home button on your Samsung TV remote. So what this is going to do is it is going to open the options in front of you. So among these, you just have to simply look for the option of App Store and you need to go to the App Store. Now inside the App Store, use the search bar and you need to simply search for Xfinity Stream application. If it is supported on your TV, it will be shown in front of you. So you just have to simply select the app and click on the option of install. So after clicking on the option of install, you just have to wait for it to download. When it is downloaded successfully, you need to open it. Now before using the content on Xfinity Stream, you need to sign in into your account. So you can provide your username and your password in order to sign in, and you can also follow further on-screen instructions in order to activate. Once you log in, you will be able to watch live TV, on-demand shows and recordings directly on your TV. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.